Don't start your Airbnb business until you watch this. Number one, don't start your Airbnb vacation business because one, it is super saturated. Everybody and their grandma is doing this. Number two is that increase in regulations. There's so much regulation with hotel lobbying, with the government cracking down Airbnbs, want to collect taxes with short-term rental. Number three, you're never gonna know if there's another COVID gonna happen. COVID shut down 90% of the vacation rental industry. Fourth thing is recession is here, right? People are not gonna go on vacation when there's a recession, right? They want to contract. And fifth thing is you don't just want to rely on Airbnb for vacation, okay? The stays a few days at a time. Too much work for little amount of pay.
Listen up, guys. I'm currently opening up only 10 spots left for my mentoring mastermind. So you ready to make massive lasting change 2023, your best year ever? Comment now below B&B.